Okay, quick video on the Tuttle Creek Farms dishwasher for those that need a tutorial. These two can be found underneath the sink. Inside here, you have little tabs. This is the rinse aid. That's what keeps the spots off the dishes. Basically, put the pod in here, close that till it clicks, pull that open, pull to where it marks to what it says is the max fill. Shut the door almost. Make sure it's hit on. Sanitize. Start. And well, I don't have the pot in there, so it's not working. You hit start, a red light comes on the floor, you close the door, and then it starts working.